Welcome to Ben Armstrong, Crypto X. Don't just trade crypto, experience it. I'm not a financial advisor. Here in a layover in Las Vegas for one day, heading to old Idaho for this week for Cassie's dad's funeral. Very sorry, obviously. You guys have been really great, by the way. A lot of the audiences wish condolences, and thank you for that. But what I'd like to talk about today are my top 5 coins of the month. Now, usually we do a video, we look at the numbers from last month. We're not doing that because I'm out of town, but also we were down. We lost 5% overall last month. After back-to-back 90+% months, we had a down month. It's the overall market dipped, and everybody knows it. Next week, I'm going to try to have some numbers to back that up and show what the average drawdown was compared to what our coins drew down. But the fact is, I'm going to be doing something today I've never done before. I'm going to be releasing the same pick back-to-back months. Never done it. Although each one of our coins today, they're found somewhere in our list of top coins of the year, whether it's our overall coins of the year, mid caps, low caps, or micro caps. All 5 of these coins today can be found on one of those lists. Now, if you're a member to Ben Nation, we're going to be giving you guys access to a lot of these spreadsheets for you guys to look, and you guys can track all these coins along with us the entire bull run. So, here we go, guys. Number 1 coin of the month, XRP. Guys, I'm not going to miss the XRP pump. When it finally happens, people will say I was a dead clock that was right twice a day, and I'll take that because I'm not missing it. I would rather be called a dead clock than miss the pump, so we're going to miss it. Thought about picking Flare, by the way, XRP-related project. It's doing really well. The numbers are great. Not going to pick it this month. We picked it a few months ago, but one to pay attention to. Next, we're going to go to Cardano, old ADA. That's right. I think ADA is going to have a positive month, and the ADA ecosystem is about to start going. The ADA ecosystem is, oh God, what are they doing over there? The ADA ecosystem and the ADA DeFi system, I think, is about to start blowing up. It's going to be starting. Wow, we got a guy shilling us on ShillTube. I digress. Next, we're going with a Cardano-related project. It is a multi-chain project, but started on Cardano. We're going with Meld. We're actually going to be digging into Meld this month, as I'm going to start using it. It's Cardano DeFi, but it's also bank account alternative, baby. What do you think about this? Baby, God, got to open the door this way. Yeah, have to check it out. Cassie, it's me from the future. I got all the way to the end of the video, and guess what I forgot to do?
What did you forget to do?
It's the mention of our favorite world's largest social casino.
Oh, that'd be sick.
That's right. And actually, what are we going to do right now at this very moment?
So we're gonna tie the knot. We're gonna make it permanent.
Yeah, we're gonna make it permanent. That's right. We're tying the knot, guys. I am going to get a steak tattoo right now. It's the world's largest social casino steak, near and dear to my heart and my bicep, because you got to pump it up, obviously. So you guys check out a QR code on the screen, link in the description. There you go. Check it out. Get your account of steaks today. Oh, Lord, here we go. All right, so there you go, Meld. Number 4 project. We are going to be going with Chain GPT or CGPT, one of our, I think, low caps of the year. It's an absolutely phenomenal project, AI related. I definitely believe it's going to have a good month. By the way, yeah, go ahead.
You know, when Chain GPT launched on KeyCoin, I bought way too high.
Yeah.
But I kept it, I staked it. They've actually been developing. It's funny because when that project came out, everyone was saying it was going to be rug pull.
Yeah.
And I'm up 100% on my initial investment, which, you know, isn't a ton, but yeah. I think it'll do well. Yeah,
well, I think it will as well. And, you know, you're not the inspiration for our number 5 pick, but it is a project you like, a project I like. It's not Sui, but we do love Sui. Sui related to move programming language. We'll go with Aptos. I think Aptos is going to have an incredible month this month. Super excited about it. So what do you guys think? Drop your comments down below what you think about our top 5 picks of the month. I got a really cool Hex and Pulse Chain video for you guys tomorrow. That's all I got. Please hit the like button on the way out. Helps keep the lights on. Hey, boys!